So friends, see here we'll discuss the next seventh problem. Okay, so see how to solve these type of problems. See what is the problem statement. Average daily wage of all the 90 worker in the factory is 60. Average daily wage of female worker is 45. Calculate average daily wage of the male worker if one third worker are the male. So when there is a problem based on the average, you always go with the total. What is average? Average or the mean? Average is nothing but the mean. It is nothing but the total value. Always remember it is total value upon total number of the elements. Okay, simple, you know, na, right? So it is sum of number of elements. Sum is total. Okay, now see how to solve this problem. Okay, so what is given? See the important statement they have given. One third worker are male. Okay, one third worker are male means what? See, you can see here total 90 workers are there. 90 workers. So one third are male. So one third, so 30 will be male. Okay, so total are 90. So what? How much female? Obviously it will be 60. So we got male are 30 and 60 are the female. Okay, these number of workers we bifurcate. Now very simple. See, 90 workers are there, right? And we have to find the average daily wage of a 90 worker is given rupees 60. So what is total wages? Total wages will be 90 into 60. Okay, so that will be 5400. This is the total wages. Now male wages. What is the wages for the male? Okay, how many males are there? Okay, males are 30. How many wages male are getting? So female is 45. Okay, so average daily wages of the female is 45. So an average daily wage of the male we have to find. Okay, so here we simply take a x. Okay, what is total wage of the female worker? So how many female workers are there? 60. Okay, 60 are the female. Okay, how much is the wage for the female? Okay, female worker wage is 45 average. So 45 is total. Okay, so this is total for all worker. This is total for male. 30 male x is average. So say 30x. For female, for 60 into 45. So 60 into 45 you will get here when you solve you will get 2700. So total is nothing but the male wage plus female wages. So total we are spending 5400. For male we are giving 30 into x plus female 2700. Very simple. So 30x will be your 2700. Simply 5400 minus 2700. So x is nothing but your 2700 upon 30. So obviously you will get a 90. So 90 is what? X, and x is nothing but the average wage of the male, because 30 males earning average 30 x rupees. Okay, so average wage for the male you calculated here, it is a 90. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this type of problems. Okay, see, it is very easy. Okay, if you don't want to go by formula, you can go by this way. Okay, if you still insist that you will solve by the formula, then you can go with the formula also. So n1 is number of male, they have 130 of 90, so 30. N2 is female, so take a 60 females. X1 we have to find x1 bar. X2 means female daily wages, they have given 45. X1 we have to find. So we have this formula, you simply put a value. Okay, but I suggest you don't worry about the formula, you go simply by the concept. Okay, now see, next we'll discuss the problem number 8. See, mean of a 25 observation is 78.5. Okay, so here is a mistake, you can rectify it. Okay, so mean of a 25 observation is 78.4. so what is total value or total? Okay, so 25 observation, average is mean. Average means what? Mean 78.45. see, 25 and average is 78.4. so this will give you total 1960. See, for example, if I say average age of a class is 4 and in the class there are 5 numbers, so total, what will be total? 20. Like this. See, average value into number of value, you will get total. This is very basic, right? So here you got this total. Now what they said, 96 was misread as a 69. We have to find the correct mean. So this 78.4 is not a correct. We have to find the correct mean. Okay, how? But what is happen actually? 96 was misread as a 69. Means 69, whatever we have put here, it is wrong value. So it is a minus. Correct is 96. So simply add the correct value, subtract the wrong value. So when you solve this, you will get 1987. Okay, and this is the what? This is what your total. This is the total, right? So total we have rectified. Now we have to find the average. So 1987 is a total, divided by total number of observations is 25 is given. So when you solve this, you will get 79.48 will be your correct answer. Easy, right? So now we'll move to the next problem number 9. See the what is the given? The mean salary of a 50 employee of a company computed as a 680 per month. Okay, so what is total salary? You can easily say 680 for 50 employees. So total is 34,000 is the total salary monthly company is spending. Now what they have given, later it was found that salary of Mr. X was taken 270 instead of 720. So what is taken 270 instead of 720? That means 720 is the correct value and 270 is the wrong value, right? So add the correct value, subtract the wrong value, right? See, instead of 720 means 720 is correct, right? You can easily, basic, right? So 270 is taken mistakenly, right? But 720 is correct. Instead of 720 means 720 is correct. So 720 you have to add the correct value, subtract the wrong value. Okay, when you solve this, you will get 34,450. Okay, this is the what? Total salary. Now what they are asking, what will be the correct mean salary then? So to find the mean, simply divide by total number of employee. This is total salary, 50 employee. So you will get here 689 and this is your answer. Okay, very easy. So how easily you can solve this type of problems? So friends, see here some merits of the arithmetic mean, what they have given. Simply you just go through it, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, it will not ask you for in the examination, they will ask you the problems. Okay, so merit of arithmetic mean is rigidly defined, easy to calculate and simple to follow. Okay, it is based on the all observation. It is determined for almost every kind of data. It is finite and even indefinite, readily put to algebraic treatment. It is least affected by the fluctuation of a sampling. So this is the merits. Now see, simply demerits means disadvantages. It is highly affected by the extreme value. It cannot average the ratio and percentage properly. It does not appropriate the average value for high skewly distribution. What do you mean by high skewness? See, this is a good looking normal distribution, and skewed distribution means it is looking like that. Okay, skewed. Okay, or it is looking like that. Okay, this is good. This is skewed. Very easy. Now it cannot be computed accurately, even accurately. It cannot be computed accurately if any item is missing. The mean sometimes does not coincide with any of the observed value. This may happen, right? The mean cannot calculated when the open and class interval are present in the data. What is open class interval? See, open class interval, I have to see, suppose this is the interval 0 to 10, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40, or say even it is written simply above 40. So above 40 is the last value, but we don't know about what is the above exact value. So it is called as the open end. One end is open. If instead of 0 to 10, here they call below 10 or below 20. So what you should take below 20? So end is open. Okay, one end is open, second end is open, or both end are open. Then it is called as the open end class. Okay, any end is open. That means when the below 20 is below something is mentioned, above something is mentioned, or both is mentioned, then it is called as the open class interval. That we have already discussed in detail in the first session. So friends, you should subscribe our YouTube channel Banker Zone. You can download the application Banker Zone CIIB. Link to download is given in the description. Also join our group in the Telegram. The name of the group is CIIB Banker Zone. For that, simply you can search on the Telegram @CAIIBBZ. If you have to search this, you will directly find our group. WhatsApp number is given for any help. Happy learning.